Right, Nina, where are we off to?
We're off to, what was the island called? It was St Nicholas's Island.
St Nicolas
His
Island
original
or
burial
Jamila
place.
Island.
Yeah.
And what are we going to do there?
We're going to have our Christmas there, which
Yay.
is going to be pretty cool.
And why is St Nicolas Island special?
Because St Nicholas was buried there.
The original Santa,
Yeah.
like the actual guy, not a myth, not a religious thing, just the actual guy, St Nicholas, who started it all off, was originally buried at Jamila Island in Turkey.
Yeah.
Although he was Greek, I think, at the time, but it was taken over by the Turks. And we've just got diesel, gas and petrol and ready to go.
I don't know where I'm going yet, but I'm on my way. Just go where the wind will blow me, yeah. Well, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way.
Merry Christmas! Merry German Christmas!
Merry German Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Oh, these are the Christmas presents. I didn't even know this was for me. Thank you.
I know it's probably not the present of your dreams, brother, but I thought maybe one day you're gonna appreciate it.
Wow, it's very big. It actually covers me well. Oh, good guess they are.
What do they say, Nina?
Voucher for 1 hour extra device time. Voucher for a movie download or a video download.
Wait, is this a drive?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it the Brooklyn Nine-Nine?
Yeah.
Present for Lucy.
For you.
Yes.
Oh. Yeah.
What do you got?
Thyme.
I can smell it from here.
Run out of wild thyme. I put it in teas, in soups, in tomato sauces, and it's just the most delicious fragrance, much better than bought thyme. And it grows wild everywhere pretty much.
Nice. Found the remains of a painting on a stone. Who knows? It could have been St Nicolas. Shame it's not. It's pretty open to the elements.
That's small at all, actually. That speaks to be real small. Ooh, the animal carcass.
I think this is the island, or the place I like the best for ruins. Just because you can walk around it and explore it, and it's some of it's tumbled down and some of it's in amazing condition. Right. Well, we're on the island. I had to drop the family off a little bit further around. There's no beach or landing place, so this is the lee side of the island. So hopefully this is hopefully the dinghy will wait for an hour for us. But yeah, there's a tiny little island and some nice looking ruins. Pretty good at making water tanks back in the day. Beautiful little tomb overlooking the sea. I noticed these sliding doors. They're on. You could slide them open, but clearly been broken open. So look at this. This is the roof that's been held up for hundreds and hundreds of years of a tomb.
That's exactly what you said.
So,
I got untied.
All this rubble is building stones of this massive church that was here. And look, beautiful carving just sitting here. Ooh.
Here's a really big one. They have even been named.
Yeah, archaeologists they just haven't got the resources to
It's marble.
yeah.
ever, and came and took refuge in this part of Turkey for 3 years, which includes Cleopatra's Baths over in near Wall Bay,
Yeah.
in the Gerçek wilderness area, and over near Bodrum. So she did this whole coast. Oh, the dead people. Yeah.
Wow, I'm trying to get this.
Easy. 10 minutes.
After a beautiful start here at Camilla Islands, it's turned a bit nasty. The wind's picked up and it's no longer calm and peaceful. So we're going to head off to the Wilderness Park and hopefully find some shelter. See how that goes. Well, this hasn't turned out too well. We've got a thunder and lightning, 2 sick people here, lots of choppy seas and rain and not a lot of wind, but we're making our way across the gap to some shelter. But I think the front will have passed through by the time we get there. Adventurous is behind us. Cause of this midwinter swim?
Fishing line around the prop.
Who's fishing line?
Maybe around the rudder.
Don't drink and drive when you're bringing a boat in.
Christmas Day with the Anzac Cruises, our little flotilla of Australian and New Zealand yachties, and we're having a progressive dinner in the afternoon. So we're going to have a look what's cooking. I got some beautiful chicken, don't know what they're called, the drumsticks with the shoulder. So on the bone and done in a Marbella style. So, progressive dinner for Christmas, starting over here.
They're not very firm.
Yeah,
They're not.
well, I
I'm
have
not sure how.
So,
Right, so that's spicy. Other. People for this.
You're the Santa now.
You're right.
Ho 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 ho.
Oh, he's got his boots on and all.
Who's been good?
little boys and girls this year, huh?
Black sack, black boots, blue hair.
Now you put the tag at the back. Put the string at the back. Yeah, flow that, Freddie. You'll see why.
I'm slightly confused.
Thank you.
I'm giving Nina the paper.
Not me. Not bingo. No.
Oh, there's enough.
Wow.
Oh, come on, I'm not an alcoholic.
That's your writing.
Chocolate. To the tender to make sure I can get it.
Welcome, my friend, to the long white cloud. Aotearoa stars burning at you strong and true.